Can I get a happy Black History Month?
Fuck that shit, bro. Fuck you. Fuck this. I hate it. YBG though. I'm young black and. Oh. Young black people. I hate it. No, I'm young black and gay, bro. That's what it is.
Oh my god.
I might be dark skin, but I hate it.
Bro, what the?
Oh, I like your hat. Happy Black History Month.
What?
I said I like your hat and Happy Black History Month.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
Yeah, I appreciate your people as well. Thank you
Yeah, of course.
for
And
everything.
anything for you, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you, because you're the first person to tell me Happy Black History Month. You so real for that.
Yeah. What happens in this month? Like, do you guys actually do you guys get like special treatment or something? Like, what actually happens?
Yeah, so typically whenever you leave your house, you'll have like a couple people pick you up off of your feet and carry you to your vehicle, or you'll have like a red carpet laid out for you so you know that you're truly a black person and you're getting celebrated the entire month. And usually you get woken, huh?
You know, actually, I wish I was black.
You wish you were black?
Yeah, I don't like being an Egyptian man.
You don't like being what?
An Egyptian man.
You don't like being Egyptian? I mean, you're basically black though. Egyptian, you're African. I consider you black.
But see, the thing is, I want to be a black woman. First thing I would do is I would go audition for baddies, go beat people up. After that, I would. I don't know. I would really, really want to be a black woman. Like, I'm not even trying to be racist. Like, I just feel like it's just so fun, you know.
Yeah, no, it's not. It's not racist at all. Like I love that people want to be, black women. Like more power to you, bro. Like
Like their culture is just like I don't know, like the food, like it's just everything. Their humor, like just black people in general. I don't know. It just seems like such a fun life, you know.
yeah, nah, being black is pretty fun, and then especially during Black History Month when we get revered throughout the whole month, and everyone is like, I love you, black man, I love you, black woman, and it's a great time, being black. So I wish everybody could experience being black at least one day in their life.
Wait, could I experience being black or no?
Could you
Like
experience?
realistically, no, no, like realistically, like if I like bleached my skin or like tanned.
Um, yeah, I think people do that. It might not be socially acceptable anymore. 'Cause a lot of people, they
Oh.
yeah, cause like like blackface and stuff. People did try to
Oh yeah,
be
yeah,
black.
it would could be considered as blackface.
Yeah, just so like something like that doesn't happen. Some people might take that the wrong way. I don't know how being transracial works. You might be able to get away with that. I support you no matter what, though.
Yeah, exactly. Like we should support like each other. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you should support my desire.
You cut out. How, what do you mean? Bro, he's ping, bro. I know that you can't know what that mean. That he's ping, bro. All right, all right. What's wrong? What's wrong with y'all?
Bro, how did y'all win in time?
You speak Portuguese? What the fuck? You speak Portuguese, bro?
Sí, sí, hablo poquito de portugués.
You gotta be different, bro. Brazilian man, where you at? Neymar.
Yo,
Is that
what's up, bro?
is that racist?
Tell me. I'll put it out, bro. I can't.
Stop! Don't pull it out, bro. Please.
We'll put it out. We'll cut it out.
No. Oh my god. But y'all freaky as hell. How long y'all been? Yo. Oh, you finna go on a drill?
No, we in Wendy's.
Oh yeah. All right. Y'all hungry? Like y'all have to take a little break.
Yeah.
And all right. Where you?
Motherfucker get hungry, man.
You said what?
Motherfucker get hungry.
Yeah, I feel you. Yeah, you go on a killing spree and you start getting hungry. You start reminiscing about the body tank. You said what?
You that.
No, no. Yo,
Yo, bro, how you doing?
I'm doing good. Can I get a happy Black History Month?
Yeah, go on, man.
Y'all are so.
Shout out Martin Luther King. Shout out Martin Luther King. Shout out. Do you know what? Big shout out Rosa Parks. Shout out Claudia Colvin. Big shout out to Desmond Tutu.
Let's go. A little curveball, George Floyd.
Let's go George Floyd. Let's go big shout out Fentanyl Smudger. And let's go big shout out Turk World, Juice World.
Yeah, that's one is wrong because he really did help out lots of young black men sort out their drug addiction.
Thank y'all, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, but I actually love you. I have black friends. I would rather be black than white. I am disgraced by my country. I'm disgraced by how white people act. I think it's disgusting, mate.
You think it's disgusting?
Me, on the other hand, I hate.
All right. Yo.
Yo.
Y'all playing Fortnite?
Yeah, bro.
That's what.
Twitch and tips.
Huh?
Yeah. We're playing Fortnite.
You playing Fortnite?
Yeah, Twitch and tips.
No. Not touch the tips though. Just playing Fortnite. Y'all from the UK?
No. Yeah, bro.
Y'all eat like beans and toast and y'all shit for real or what? Like what's up with that?
No, like I've been coming in my tea and shit. I mean,
Yeah, but like his accent sound real strong. Like I can barely understand you.
I'm horny as fuck, bro.
You're...
No, it's not a static.
Why is he kill it? Why are you clip farming?
It's a different accent.
It's a different accent.
Yeah.
Can I get a happy Black History Month, bro? Bro on the bottom look blitz. You good, bro? You fried?
Me.
Yeah.
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 Appreciate-
George Floyd and shit.
Oh my God, you just had to. Why y'all on monkey, bro?
Men.
Men. Okay, type shit. Can I get a happy Black History Month?
Fuck that shit, bro.
Fuck you. Fuck me. I hate it.
YBG though. I'm young, black, and.
Young black and
No, I'm young, black, and gay, bro. That's what it is.
Oh my God.
I might be dark people. I hate niggas.
Bro, what the?
Black people discuss that shit.
They disgust you, bro. Look at you. You're darker than me.
I like funny, so I like snow. I like kicking.
You like playing in the snow? You like from the motherland, bro. Like I'm a poser. You actually black. You actually African.
I'm African, but I hate niggas. I don't give a shit. White and black, I'll shoot white and black. I'll shoot white and black. I'm straight face saying this.
I see that. You seem dead ass.
I don't troll about this stuff shit. Like, I told my mom that I had to beat my mom up recently because I'm like, why the fuck am I black? Because I used to be. Oh my God. That's all that. I'm joking.
No bullshit.
Oh, you rock with me though?
You know that one of the good ones.
Yeah, you're one of the good ones. If you're white, though, I would fucking be even more like, I would have been like, we would have been locked in, bro. I mean,
Like this, bro.
because you're black, it's just like, it kind of just like pushing me always like.
Bro, what the fuck?
I don't mind going to the tip, but I want people to know that I hate it.
Oh.
I hate Negroes. Sorry, but I hate Negroes. That's like, that's not a good duo, isn't it? Like, he's gay, I hate blacks.
What the fuck?
I thought the gays as well. I might be gay as well. Like, I be playing with my life. I ain't gonna lie. I be playing with my life. I ain't gonna lie.
I just don't know what to say no more, bro.
You UK are different.
Like, sorry, man. My mom's disappointed me. She don't like me. She don't fuck with me.
Bro, you're.
Okay.
It's okay to be black.
Okay, don't ever mix me with that color, bro. Please. What you say?
Huh?
Don't ever say, don't just call me that.
Bro, me like we have like a spectrum going on. It goes him. Oh shit! Wait, where? This is like bright skin. I'm in the middle, and you're black as fuck. Like,
Okay, but I'm white inside. I'm not white tee, I'm white inside.
and he just has a white T-shirt on, bro. Like, there's no. You cannot, bro. There's no way you dead ass feel this way. You're not serious. You're not a real person.
I'm not trolling, bro. I've never celebrated no Black History Month in my whole life.
Is that even a thing outside of America? Like, do y'all even fuck with black people enough to have something like that? I don't.
wouldn't know that.
You wouldn't know. Okay, you watch football?
Yeah.
Who are your favorite players?
Wait, which flag football? We talking about American football?
No, football. Like regular football, like real football.
I don't really watch that football. I watch American football.
You know you don't. You don't watch.
Lamar Jackson, Lamar Jackson.
And that's the best player in the league, though.
I know Odell Beckham Jr. I know Jarvis Landry. I'm tapped in, bro.
Okay, for as tapped in as you are, you're only naming black players, so I know you like black people. Look at you. You ain't call your own lie. You would only name white players. You would have said.
Fucking repeating my.
You Peyton Manning. They've been in the league in like 10 years.
Fucking with Tom Brady. I be fucking with Travis Kelce, bro. That's my Travis Kelce's my goal.
Like I'm over here thinking you would say like Halan or like some like white like soccer players, but you, nah, you're different.
Soccer's a nigga sport.
Soccer's, it's not. It's not. It's worldwide.
UK's a nigga sport. All the niggas play that type of shit. I be watching cricket and shit. Cricket, tennis.
Oh, cricket, tennis. Okay. All right. You be eating beans and toast and shit. Like, is that a real thing? Like, what's up with that?
Yeah.
You said what?
I eat beans and toast.
Yeah, you're not a real person. You're not a real nigga.
Hey, babe, I eat beans and toast.
You need to get into an acting school. Like you be a really good actor. I you know you almost got me. If I didn't know you was trolling, you would have almost got me.
You can do that. Listen, man. This ain't no act. This is real life, bro.
This is real.
Real life, bro. I ain't even go to school anymore. Like, I ain't been to school the past 4 years, so I'm like,
So you dropped out of school and just started hating on it. Like you just been hating for the past 4 years. You dropped out there.
I've been hitting black since I was about like 9 years old. There's a backstory. When I was 9 years old, there was a black kid. He took my bitch. So like, ever since then I just hated. What the fuck is this nigga wearing, bro?
What the fuck?
What's going on, bro?
Real pimp shit.
Yo,
What is?
talk us through the fit.
Oh, so this $700 Armani jacket, yeah, not too crazy. Then we got this shit. This is the off-brand shit. This from Temu.
Temu.
This from Temu.
Everything from Temu.
This from Temu.
Okay.
The stream is on Temu.
All right.
I'm from Temu. I'm sponsored. Make sure you shop at Temu. Use my code.
Got manufactured in China. What the fuck?
That's for me, like.
You said what?
Let's see a picture for me.
No. My shit whack. I'm not gonna lie. I'm literally just in stream mode. I just got, girl, like. You said what?
You got the same shit on.
Oh, we have the same shit on.
Yeah, I got great joggers on as well.
Yeah.
And you're both black.
Yeah, you black son of a bitch. Bro, oh my god, you're not real. What the fuck?
Like, this is real. I'm not even. This is real life, bro. Like, I wish I could be joking, but I can't. I can never joke about this type of stuff.
It's just in you.
It's just who I am. Like, you know, I'm bolder than this. Like, I'm not even joking. I'm dead ass bolder.
You're balding? All right, let's get a hair check.
So you can see, bro.
Oh,
I'm dead ass.
you're dead ass balding? Oh shit.
I'm dead ass. Hey, bro, niggas think I'm trolling, bro. I shave my hair. I don't have black type of hair. I don't know what I want to make it. I don't want full hair, bro.
I mean, you got.
I don't want full C hair. I'm not a nigga to get full C hair. Like, no, I want. It's either I get my hair white nigga hair, or I'm slow. So I'm both. Nah, I'm not trolling.
I see. Like you just kept going back. It was just like no, like
This
you.
shit is real fact. Like, this is no joke. This is no game. This ain't a game. I'm sorry. Like, I wish it could be a game because that shit would kind of be normal. But like, this ain't a game.
What's your name, bro?
My name. You want to guess? Try and guess my name. You gotta guess. You got 3 guesses.
I got 3 guesses. Is it a name or is it like a regular person name? So like when you fill out a job application, you get hired.
Nah, it's a mix.
It's some African shit. Your name like Olatunji or some shit. Olajide. What the fuck?
Nigga contact, you know,
How the fuck you know that?
I feel like black people try to kill me though. Like niggas, they just have killing mindsets.
You're in the UK. All you gotta worry about is some little ass daggers. You ain't worried about shit.
Daggers.
The things in the UK, like, niggas in the UK, they don't know how to use their brain. Like, they're just crash outs. But most of the niggas are crash outs, man.
They just crash outs. You ever watch Supercell?
People, actually, why do you think I watch the black shit?
You said what?
I don't watch no black nigga shit.
Oh, you looked it up?
Yeah, I never, bro. I don't watch TV show. That's some nigga shit.
You said, bro, you named only black football players until I caught you out on your bullshit. So I'm thinking maybe he gonna slip up again.
I think Travis Kelce, Tom Brady. I'm sorry, man.
Bro,
Like, those funny niggas, bro. Eli Manning is all. That's the nigga I be fucking with.
you are naming white that haven't been in the league in like 10 years. You're naming old white. Name somebody in the league right now. Hey, were y'all talking shit about Americans when TikTok got banned over here?
Americans, nah. I don't think I was. I look, you're gonna miss you guys. You guys are like the main politics on that.
So am I your favorite black person now? Since like you actually fuck with me?
Hey, of course.
That's what's up, bro.
Why is this nigga look? Wait, I don't see what you're streaming from, so bro. Nah, bro, I'm fine for now.
I'm-
You know what? Wait, let me get a stream up everywhere, bro. Let me get.
For real, give me a second.
I got you on the droid, bro. That's how I
Yeah, no, that's real. Yeah, bro. Hop in it. Hop in it. Bro, I need to learn some. Yo, put me on some UK slang. I know ping.
You on, okay. Ready? Oh, alright.
Your shit cutting out.
Oh, wait, my fault. Instead of saying like, yo,
He finna put me on a fucking calculator? Like, what are we doing?
wait, what do you guys call girls in America? Like,
What do we call girls?
don't be like, you say like, oh, yo, like, these hoes, like, don't be calling like,
Like, what's a regular term for women?
yeah.
I mean, yeah, just girls, fees, females,
Nah, don't be saying that. Don't you say, yeah, you go up to them and you're like, oh, yo, brizzers.
brizzers.
Yeah, brizzers.
Yeah, creamers, that's one. Creamers is one.
Creamers? I'm not saying creamers, bro.
Alright, okay, another thing, yeah. Let's say some guy says some like, fuck shit, yeah. You're gonna be like, oh, you skunked. Like,
Are you skunked? Alright.
Yeah. What's up? Alright. Then, you call that Soaky as well. Are you Soaky?
Are you soaky?
Don't
Yeah.
even.
Soaky? Are you Jeggy?
Soaky, jeggy? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna write this shit down. Let me get my pencil.
And then also, yeah, like, if you wanna go to somebody, you wanna fight him, yeah, you're gonna be up to him and like, you want British.
Okay, keep talking. I'm listening. I got my.
If you wanna go to a guy and fight him, please, are you want British?
Okay.
Drop your neck, like, we support you.
Yeah, bro.
This nigga got no book count, bro.
I gotta know, bro. I know ling, ping, mint.
Nah, we don't be saying those words anymore. That's like,
Yeah, that's old.
That's old. Oh shit, I'm behind the times.
You need to update, bro.
you gotta be saying words like jeggy, soaky, moist. Yeah, you call guys moist, like, you moist, right?
Oh, I call a guy moist. All right, bet.
Yeah.
If you wanna get freaky with a girl, yeah, you can also say, yo, B, drop your neck right now. You understand what I mean, yo? B, drop your neck right now.
Yeah.
Drop your neck.
Drop your neck right now.
Yeah, you can say that.
All right.
I think, wait, Kevin, give him someone.
Females, braces, creamers, Jones. That's like basics.
Now we say John in the States.
Yeah, let me take off that, man.
Yeah, we say John.
What else do you do?
What then? No, Nick.
You don't really got lingo like that, bro.
Oh, y'all don't got lingo like that? Y'all be stealing our shit?
I don't be speaking like close. I be speaking like in terms of person. I be like, oh, good afternoon, sir. How are you? Because let's not forget I hate blacks.
Yeah, for sure. Bro, what the fuck? What got y'all on monkey?
A monkey, I call that the hole, bro.
Oh, for the hoes.
The mental.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Like I think I've been getting skipped because I'm not a bitch. Like I've been getting skipped like immediately. Like they see my face.
On that, I'm looking bisexual. On that.
You bisexual?
Yo, bro.
Type shit. Earlier I ran into some dudes and they said they was live on OnlyFans together. So
Yo, we used to find niggas, bro.
you said what?
Yo, bro.
We need to find them.
Say that one more time.
Find
You need to fight them?
Oh, fine.
Oh, find them. Oh yeah. They said they be on live on Jerkmate too. So
Yo, I'm at the gym.
Yo, I be live on drug, mate.
you be live on.
I be kidding, bro. Niggas don't know. Niggas don't know, bro. Hit me up.
I be top 10, bro. Like, yo.
You did like, you did instructions, bro. I be JOYs as well.
Bro.
I be JOYs.
Yeah. Yeah, nah, you one of them. He hates blacks. He goons daily. He gives JOI scripts.
Yo, that's the life right there, man.
That's the life I live, bro.
That's not the American dream. That's the British dream, bro.
I be close. That's real, son. Like, I be eating British shit, bro. Like, I ain't never had no Jamaican food, like African food in my life, you know. That's crazy. I ain't
Seriously?
even trolling.
You're not even trolling? Just
I be fish chips, mashed potatoes, and beans and toast.
that's not all you eat, bro.
I'm being so dead, like, yo, you might think I'm trolling about other shit, but yo, I'm so dead ass, I've never had no nigga food in my life, bro. I ain't never been to McDonald's, you know, in my 18 years of living.
Y'all got that in the UK?
Nigga, what the yo, nigga, give me this answer, bro. It's gonna open you. Yo, this nigga on the face.
Yo, I'm tuning in, bro. I'm tuning.
I ain't looking for the black holes, I'm looking for the white holes only, bro. Oh, I'm a snowbody hunter, bro. Like, I see a snowbody.
Is there a way to? What the fuck? What was that? What the?
House in the night, yo. Hashtag me. Let me EYP for real. I can't fucking no black bitch.
Black bitch.
What if I need a black bitch, bro? Bro, I need to stop you though, because if this blows up on my... Fuck, I got my phone, my laptop, my Xbox. We trying to make you blow up, bro. I'm gonna shout you out on my slide story or something, bro.
I appreciate that, bro.
I'm gonna shout out my OnlyFans.
All right, brother. Yeah, get all the gooners in my chat.
Yo, like, have you ever thought of just getting on live on Twitch?
No.
Don't get views, bro. Don't get views. I'm telling you.
Like, just do some shit like this, yeah, just like...
All right, no, nah, hell nah. I'm bro. There was someone, and it was a fucking UK. He was like, "Yo, bruv, just whip it out, man!" In there, and and I had to skip his ass so fucking quick. I was like, "What the fuck they got going on out here, bro?"
What is the shit we've been saying? He's like, what the fuck is this nigga doing?
Bro,
No. I should realize, yo, if my job sees this type of shit, bro, I'm fucked.
bro, you're saying this and you have a job. What is wrong with you, yo?
You niggas there be talking shit.
I know these niggas really sweet. I rob all y'all ass in real life.
Hey, you not talking to me though. You can ride everybody else.
Ooh,
You can ride. No. Fuck you. You can ride my partner though. You can come kill my partner about it. You got a problem with me? Come kill my partner about it. You got a problem with me? Come kill my partner about it. You ain't doing shit, hoe ass. You lame as shit. Oh shit. Don't cut me. No. Y'all ass tweaking, folks. Can I get a happy Black History Month? Can I get a happy Black History Month? Why you say it so soft? You ain't mean it?
No. Wait, what?
Why you? Damn, you ain't mean it?
Let's just keep that off, like, because fuck.
Damn, you racist, twin?
No, I'm a fucking no bunny. I don't know how it'd be racist.
Why did she say that, chat? Yo.
Bro, I just saw a nigga throwing an AK-47.
What the fuck?
Bro, this shit, bro.
Damn. How did that make you feel?
God.
You were scared? You were scared for your life?
No, he was an Indian dude with an AK-47. He looked like a. He probably was. I'd be careful for that, dude.
Stay bodacious and happy Black History Month.
Nigga,
Yeah. Ah!
are you good?
Dude, who are you clip farming in front of?
Nobody, bro. I'm at work.
Oh, so you just repeating what I said? You a fucking firefighter?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
What the fuck? Why are you on monkey? Go save some lives. Yo,
Yo,
what's good?
what's good? What's good, gang?
What's
What you
good?
doing? You on a YouTube channel?
What you mean? Why you say that?
This is one of them famous stream niggas. Everybody watch out.
No. I don't do that. I don't do the stream
You
shit.
playing a game? What you doing? Just streaming, or you ain't doing nothing?
No, I'm not doing nothing. I'm just on monkey type shit.
You on monkey?
Yeah, why you hiding your face?
Huh?
You got warrants? You got somebody looking for you?
Nah, why you said that?
Cuz, why you hiding your face? You over here like,
Nah, that's because it's a small computer screen. I ain't got no money.
oh, okay. Yeah, I'm just saying like,
Fat upper pussy area.
I want to tickle that guy real hard, bro. Like, I'm talking Diddy type tickling, bro. Like, getting up in there, like, you know what I'm saying?
no, I don't know what you're saying. What the hell?
Yeah,
What the hell are you talking
yeah,
about?
you do.
Is that a gang sign?
I know what you do in your free time. Don't act like you don't, bro.
What are you doing? Oh, I know what that is.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Now that boy freaky. That boy a freaky frog. Y'all look pretty bodacious. Not gonna lie.
I'm very elegant. What do they say? What's the fucking weird one? Say on what's the one?
By the way.
Maleficent or whatever the fuck they say.
Benevolent, benignant.
Well, I can't say that.
Oh, okay. Type shit.
Did you say the N-word, bro?
He said,
There's a beautiful black goddess on my screen.
Yeah.
You really just said the
Can I get a happy Black History Month?
Happy Black History Month, bro.
Thank
Maybe
you.
next year.
Next year. Oh, that was funny. You thought you ate with that? That shit was whack as fuck. Tomatoes. You see how your friend not even laughing? Y'all supposed to be a team, and she not even laughing at your shit. That's how you know your shit lame, y'all.
You look like Tootsie.
I look like who?
You look like Tootsie.
Tootsie? Who is that?
You don't know who the fuck Tootsie the rapper is?
Tootsie?
He farts here. Yeah, Tootsie.
Tootsie?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Us Canadians, wait, I don't call females that. I wouldn't want to be called.
She was talking too much. Yo.
Hey, you want to see this GIF my freaking friend's mom gave us?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna play the song and he's gonna do the other half, okay?
Okay.
Tell me what you think about it.
All right.
What you think about?
I fuck with it. That's bodacious as fuck.
And what you think about his ass? What you think about his ass?
I wasn't, I'm not one to judge. Everybody ass is beautiful in its own way. So
So is it a 10 out of 10?
for sure, why not? For sure, it's a 10 out of 10. Can I get a happy Black History Month?
Huh?
Can I get a happy Black History Month?
Happy like daddy?
All right.
Like daddy?
Yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Oh, you look interesting. How are you doing today?
Can I show you my Johnson?
Did- You having fun there?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Am I on a live stream?
Yeah, you might be. Shit. I wouldn't say all that now.
It used to be a movie theater for me.
It used to be a movie theater. Damn, you rich? Stop me a bit.
mean, I could. I'm not going to.
Why not? Look, I'll type my cash up in the chat.
Why would
right
I
now.
give you a ban?
You said what?
Why would I give you a ban?
Shit, why not?
Can't give you a ban, bro. You can give me a ban. You're a grown ass man. Asking at 15 to give you a ban. I mean,
Yeah, but then I'm gonna be broke. And you gonna still be up if you give me a ban. Just give me a ban.
no, bro. Like what?
Why not?
Give me a ban. Give me a ban. I'll send you a ban.
All right, you send it first though, just so I make sure it's authentic.
You trying to scam?
Why would I scan
That's
it?
why I can't. That's why I can't stand y'all black folks. 'Cause, like y'all.
Yo,
There is no boy in the name of Jehovah God I will destroy. In the name of Jehovah God. Face your enemies.
what are you talking about? Like I couldn't
You know what I'm
even.
talking about?
We couldn't even start off with a happy Black History
No. I
Month.
was talking to myself, not you.
You talking to yourself? Oh, you be hearing voices and shit.
Yes.
Damn, why are you yelling at me?
Oh, you from Houston? What's the word? I'll come over there right now.
I'm just chilling. I'm just on monkey.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I'll come over there right now.
For what?
Because I just want to come over there. I can't come over.
I don't know you. I mean, you gonna give me a ban or what? If we
Give you a ban? What?
Yeah. I mean, like, what's wrong with that?
Why would I give you a ban?
Why would I let you into my home and we don't know each other?
Yeah, Mexico, no problem, no problem. I can say N-word, no problem.
Let's not do that. Can I get a happy Black History Month?
Happy Black History Month.
Thank you.
Black Lives Matter.
Thank you so much. Thank you. What's going on, y'all? It's Larry Bob, and everything that you see in this video was streamed live on Twitch. If you want to be a part of the stream and my community, click the links in the description where my other socials as well as my Discord can be found. Peace out.